What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is a channel all about technical analysis and price predictions. And today we'll be talking about Shiba Inu. Shout out to one of my subscribers who is asking for me to do a technical analysis on Shiba and also another coin, which I'll be doing another video on. So, but today we'll be talking about Shiba. So without further ado, shout out to my subscriber for letting me know to trust in me to do a technical analysis on it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First things first, the support and resistance is already laid out for you guys. So just made it simple for you guys. And we're looking at a daily time frame here, right? So first things first, we would like to draw out our Fibonacci retracement. So from the higher low to higher high, boom, right there. And then zoom into a daily time frame here. And then from here, I would like to draw I do want to draw another Fibonacci retracement because this is a weekly time. So the one we just did was a weekly time frame. Now it's a daily time frame. So we had two different Fibonacci retracements in different time slots, right? So as you can see here on the weekly, so the weekly is out here, the inner side is the daily, okay? So what we're looking at here is that the price action, right, is all the way down to this support level here, okay? And that support level is close to the 0.5, and I'm expecting it to probably hit the 0.618 possibly, but that's if it doesn't break this support, okay? And actually, let me zoom out. Where am I getting the support level from? Oh, let me zoom that out. 4-hour time frame here. Okay, I'm getting this 4-hour. So I'm getting this the support because of this price action retracement here. So if I switch it to a line chart here, and so I actually gotta move this down a bit. Okay. So let me go ahead and switch it back. So what are we looking at here? So here, okay. So as you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame. So the price action went down. It didn't. It almost touched the support, but it bounced off, right? Well, and then came up. Now it's hitting this support level, right? So it seems like it's a strong support level, okay? Just because from this retracement that we had here, it broke out, and now it's retesting at the support level, right? So it did it the second time. So hopefully, because right now it's kind of consolidating, and the reason I'm saying that is because the 3 moving averages here are really, really close together. And usually when they're close together, that means the market is kind of stagnant, right? It's not moving anywhere. It's either, I mean, right now it shows that's going down, right? But right now it's together, so it's kind of consolidating a bit. We just don't know where it's gonna go, right? If it's gonna break out of going up or going down. So it's one of the two, right? And hopefully what we want to see going up, right? So as long as it doesn't break this support level here, I wonder if I could just change it to the daily here. It might be easier for you guys. So as long as it doesn't break this support level, let me draw this out here. Hopefully as long as it doesn't break this support level here, then potentially we'll be able to see the price start going back up, okay? However, if it does break out, it's going to jump all the way down to this 0.786 level, or if you're looking at the weekly, the 0.618 level, okay? And usually when it comes to trading, the 0.5 and the 0.618 level is the level where the price action usually likes to go reverse. It likes to go back up usually right after. Okay, but looking at the daily Fibonacci retracement is at the 0.786 level. Okay, so this is the last resort because it already went through the 0.5, it already went past the 0.18 level. So it honestly might just drop down to the 0.786, and then from there it jump it would jump right back up, hopefully. Okay, so those are the two options. Is either from what I'm seeing right now, I think it's gonna retest again to this support level possibly, and then go up, or it could just start going back up, right? So that could be another way. It just starts coming back up from here. So that's option one. Option two, it just goes back to this support level and then starts going back up. Option three, it comes down to the 0.786 and then starts bouncing right back up. Okay, so those are three options that I could see this playing out. But overall, it's regardless, it's gonna go up, right? Because it's in the uptrend right now. So honestly, it's a really good time to buy. I mean, you always want to buy the dip, right? And don't put a lot, just put a little bit, just put a little bit at a time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket on a trade, right? You just want to put a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time and when you put a little bit, that means you have a better price average of where you're positioning yourself within the trade, right? Say you buy it up here, right? And then you bought it down here, then when you average it out, your trade will be somewhere in the middle, right? So that's what I mean by you're averaging your price. If you get it from too high and you buy at the dip, you're averaging out, all right? And, that hopefully that makes sense. So that's why I advise people to, buy at the dip, because it's selling, it's on sale. You should buy it, right? So, but always do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Just a disclaimer that just make sure to do your research before you put your money into a market. Okay, so I could see these three ways playing out. Okay, so right now it's hard to say because so looking at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it's in the 1 hour time frame. It seems like it's still going down. Okay, if I look in the 4 hour here. Okay, yeah, it's definitely gonna go down. Okay, it's definitely gonna go down. And if this green moving average crosses this blue, once it crosses, it's for sure gonna go down. And I'm thinking it's gonna go down to this support level here. So do I have two? I have two support levels, huh? Okay. I see. Okay. So yeah, like I said, if this green crosses this blue, we might be able to see it all the way down to this level. So it's honestly, this is just phase one. This is like phase two right here. It comes down to this level right here, honestly. Okay. Oh shoot. Let me go back that up. There you go. Okay. So that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on this confirmation here. This green and this blue. Once it crosses, because if you guys haven't heard it before, but investors call it the golden circle, and the golden circle usually means that when a golden circle forms, that means it's going to be a long-term trend. It's a long-term trend. And I'll show you guys an example of what I mean. Is because this right here is what I mean. Okay, so it's consolidating, right? And then this green line crossed, right? Cross, and then boom. Look at that. Long term, all the way long term, right? So now we might see it here. We honestly might just see it here. Hopefully it's not too long. Hopefully it just a little bit, just like a kind of like a false cross, and then we might see a reversal back up. That's a possibility, because I don't want to see it like drop so crazy. Because I think this is gonna be the second, this is the second retracement where the price actually kind of retraced, right? So that's the second phase. Okay, first phase, second phase. All right. So this is what we're waiting on, and I hope you guys understood my price prediction and technical analysis. If you guys don't, please feel free to leave the comments down below. I'll answer your question, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, and if there's any other technical analysis you guys want me to do, I'll be happy to do it for you guys. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.